Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel a payment in Splitwise. If you've marked a payment by mistake, or you simply need to remove a payment record from your activity, Splitwise makes it fairly quick to do. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can find the payment entry and delete it with confidence. To begin, open the Splitwise app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen and fully loaded into your account before moving on. This helps ensure all of your recent activity is visible and up to date. Once the app is open, tap on Activity at the bottom of the screen. This section shows a timeline of recent actions in your account, including expenses, settlements, and payments. If you've recently recorded a payment, this is usually the easiest place to locate it. Now look through the activity list for the paid history you want to cancel or delete. Take a moment here and make sure you're selecting the correct payment entry, especially if there are multiple recent transactions. It can help to check the amount, the date, or the person involved so you don't remove the wrong record. After you find the payment entry, tap on that paid item to open it. This will bring up the details for that specific payment. Opening the full entry is important because the delete option is typically available from the payment details screen rather than directly from the activity feed. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the delete icon. This is the action that removes the payment record. Depending on your version of the app, you may see a trash can icon or a delete option in that area. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and confirm only if you're sure you want to proceed. Once deleted, the payment should no longer appear in your activity as an active payment record. Keep in mind that deleting a payment can affect balances between you and the other person or group involved. So it's a good idea to double check the updated totals afterward. And that's it. By opening Splitwise, going to the Activity tab, finding the payment history, selecting the correct paid entry, and tapping the delete icon, you can cancel a payment entry in just a few taps. Thanks for following along. We hope this helped you manage your Splitwise activity more easily.